I'm sad to say that our global FinTech awards are coming to an end. 7th year we've been doing this here at Benzinga. But stay tuned. We are moving into our very last batch of awards. These are the companies that are the movers. These are the companies that are the shakers. These are the companies that are defining what we are going to have access to for years to come, okay? They are pushing the needle, pushing the boundaries of how investors interact with the markets. And so I'm happy to get us moving into this first award category, simplifying access to futures. This is something we did not have at our first Benzinga FinTech Awards. We've had it for the past couple of years as the number of asset classes that have moved from being purely institutional to being available for a broader audience has changed. Again, simplifying access to futures, making it easier for us. The winner of this category, drum roll please, NinjaTrader. I'm joined by Martin, CEO of NinjaTrader. Martin, congratulations on the award.
Luke, thank you so much. It is great to be back. Like some other recipients today, I wanted to make sure I brought my hardware from previous years.
You brought the hardware from previous years?
Brought the hardware, yeah. We love to display it. Yeah, thank you to the whole Benzinga team. Today's been great. Thank you to all those who voted for us in other categories today, including Best Futures Broker. We're honored. Very excited to accept this award on behalf of the entire NinjaTrader team. As you know, Luke, we are laser focused on simplification and access to futures as the secular trends have continued to evolve and access has become readily available through different trends, through microization and exchange level innovation. We launched our FCM this year solely focused on access, simplification, and a modern fintech experience that was dedicated exclusively to retail and exclusively to futures. With all of this change in retail and all this change in futures, we believe at NinjaTrader this is the very, very early innings of what you'll see not only in retail futures, but from NinjaTrader. So again, thank you so much. We are honored to be here today, and thank you for hosting such an amazing event.
And can you hold up that trophy again?
Absolutely.
And I hope you've been doing some workouts because now you're going to have two. You're going to have one for each arm. They're going to get heavy, okay?
I can't wait. Let's go.
Awesome. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Hello. This is Jason Rasnick back at you. Let's see if the camera's on me. Okay, there we go. All right, so now we're moving right along to Best Investment App. Now, this investment app has got a lot of press. It is definitely growing from zero to what it is today really fast, a lot of development. And the winner for Best Investment App, give me that short drum roll. Webull. Hello, Michael from Webull. Are you there?
Hey, how you guys doing? Jason,
congratulations. Congratulations. You guys have moved fast from like 4 years ago. I don't even know if you're around. Today, everyone knows you. How have you done it?
I've been around. First of all, I just want to say thank you to Jason, Luke, Nicole, and the entire Benzinga team. It's great being a partner with you guys for over the past 4 years. It's a real honor to accept this award on behalf of Webull and the Webull family and for the best mobile brokerage app. To be honest with you, I mean, the award epitomizes what a world-class organization is all about. It's a real dedication to all our colleagues globally whose hard work has made Webull what it is today. And to be honest with you, the best is yet to come. So thank you. We really appreciate it.
Well, I remember when it was just you and Anthony Denier in the office. So, I mean, you come a long way, a lot of people, and so many new developments. You guys had crypto last year too. I don't know what's next. I mean, do you have a huge product pipeline of things you want done and it's just so little time kind of thing?
I mean, there's a ton of stuff in the pipeline, right? I mean, we started with equities, we went to options. We had, crypto's been rolled out for the past year. So, I mean, there's a lot more coming. 2022 is going to be an exciting year. So just watch out.
All right. Well, thank you again. Thank you for coming on. Webull winner, and congrats. If you haven't checked it out, make sure to check it out. Thanks again.
Thank you.
All right, everyone. I am going to keep us clipping. Again, we are down to our final award segment of the day. Stay tuned. These are the companies who are moving the needle for all of us. Next category we're getting into, Best Reg Tech. Regulation technology. Regulation, it's important. It is the guardrails that keeps us all in line, keeps markets fair and transparent for all of us. I am proud to announce the winner, Trillium Labs Surveyor, Best Reg Tech 2021.
Surveyor is designed to increase compliance team efficiency, cut costs, and accurately prevent crippling fines. Surveyor's groundbreaking alerts keep your firm safe, while saving your compliance team time, money, and effort by reducing false positives.
All right, Melissa, the entire Surveyor team, congratulations on your award.
Thank you so much. It's so nice to be back. Thank you again for this amazing award. We're so excited to be recognized. And thank you again for such a fantastic event show today. I know everybody's been enjoying it. So, we're incredibly proud of our industry disrupting Reg Tech product for Surveyor, which is a market and surveillance solution. Surveyor adds value to compliance by providing our users with accurate and reliable data so that they can have insights to inform how they execute their roles. We're in full growth mode. So this year we launched a 605, 606, and Best X module, as well as a FINRA import tool. And we're continuing to grow the product, continuing to expand coverage, and continuing to grow our diverse team. So, thank you again for recognizing us. Surveyor continues to, detect accurately and display intuitively. And congratulations to all the winners. And I will see you at the after party later.
Awesome. 5:30 Eastern, Stout Grand Central. We will see Melissa there. We will see everybody else there. If you are in the area, you're in New Jersey, Connecticut, make the drive in, come hang out with us and celebrate. And Melissa, let me ask you one of my favorite questions to ask. Given that you are director of product, what are you most excited for?
Oh boy. So I am I'm the most excited about the opportunities that we have and the opportunities that we're going to take. So, we're like I said, we're building a team that's excited, that really wants to innovate on our product and provide an industry leading tool. So, the world is our oyster at this point, and we're excited to continue to expand and develop.
Excellent. Congratulations again.
Thank you both. Thanks so much.
All right. Welcome to the next award. We're moving along. So we got Best Options Apps. And I use this account actively. I use this company actively. So let me go to it. And the winner is, drum roll, none other than ETRADE. Hey, I'm excited, truly excited to have on one of my favorites, Mary Ryan, VP of Trade at ETRADE. Mary, do I have you here?
I'm here. Can you hear me okay?
Oh, yes. Oh, you're in the office working away.
Awesome. Yeah, I'm honored to accept this award on behalf of ETRADE. Thank you to Benzinga, Zinger Nation. As you guys know, we've introduced a whole new set of features and education geared to our options traders, especially on the mobile app. The Earnings Move Analyzer, which allows traders to visualize the stock's expected move based on the options market ahead of earnings. We enhanced the mobile trade ticket by adding snapshot analysis so options traders can see the risk reward prior to placing a trade, sending their orders off to the market. We're thrilled. So we really appreciate it.
So that risk reward on the options thing I've used. You know, I'm an active ETRADE user because if I ever have a question, I'm hitting up you, or of course, you know, the whole team. But I'm active, and ETRADE has been a forerunner in tech and ease of use, usability. Where do you see, like, how do you see? I know you have tons of experience in options trading. How have you seen the options trading market just overall evolved over the last 3 to 7 years, I guess?
You know, we've seen a lot of new entrants to the marketplace, and where we've really put an emphasis in the last couple of years is implementing education within our platform, as well as just in the tools itself, as well as our education team. This year, we actually just launched the new weekly options playbook webcast series. It's been great to see new retail traders, especially option traders, enter the markets. We're really trying to supplement our offering as much options education as possible.
Yeah, and I can attest to that because some of those educational terms I listen to, I put them on in the background and I just listen to, and they're helpful to learn the basics. Because back in the day, well, I started listening to the webinars and I learned buying calls is not the only way to deploy options. It took me some time to lose, you know, I was like, I'm buying calls, but then the time decay, I learned about that. So if you don't use ETRADE for options or check it out, there's new developments that you guys keep introducing, which I love because it helps you look at options another way. Back in the day, I just never knew it was so scientific, and it seems like it is. And the tools you guys do make it easier for users. So, Mary, anything else I'm leaving out that you want to add in before we go on to the next part?
Just thanks for everything. We're super excited to receive this award. It really validates all the hard work that the ETRADE teams have been doing the past year. So thank you.
Yeah, no, it's exciting. Mary Ryan is an expert, been in the industry for many years. So you're using ETRADE, you're in good hands. Mary, thank you for joining us today, and we will talk to you soon.
All right. Thanks, Jason. Thanks, Benzinga.
Yep, thank you.
All right, everyone. I am honored to be bringing us the next category. This is a new category. This is a 2021 category, and it really speaks to how our industry has progressed. Okay, when we started this award ceremony 7 years ago, there were banks, there were brokerages, right? Everybody had to have both, right? You don't have to have a brokerage, but all of our audience, you had to have both. You didn't have a 2-in-1 experience. And so this next award is called Best Money Management App. And what we were looking for who did a really good job of bringing the whole world of financial services together. Without further ado, I'm honored to be announcing, drum roll, here we go. First winner of this award, Best Money Management App, goes to JP.
All right, guys. So we're moving along. It is now 4:55. All right. So this will be finishing in the next 10 minutes. But what I want to say is, you guys, I don't know, sitting at home, sitting at your office, everyone here works so hard at the end of the day to do 3 things. 1, make people's investing life easier, which is save money, make more money, or just help people understand the markets. You're all working so hard to do that. And why do we do these awards? Someone said, hey, you've been doing this for 6-7 years. Isn't it time to retire this? I don't know. Do we not watch movies anymore? People deserve to be honored for the work they do. And it's hard. Some of this stuff is hard. We had so many judges, so many applicants, and it's hard. So some of these people that didn't win, like I've seen some emails, and I argued to Luke. I'm like, I love that company. I use that company. And so
and Jason, let me step in with some stats. How many companies do you think we had apply for an award this year?
I have no idea.
over 1,000.
Really? Okay.
Judges over 100.
So-
Finalists down to a final list of about 100 finalists.
Yeah.
Amazing.
So it's truly difficult because it's so hard because I like, you know, the Oscars. I remember one year, it was Wolf of Wall Street. I thought Leonardo DiCaprio should got the Oscar.
Or Jonah Hill. Jonah Hill did a good job too.
Yeah, and so it's really hard, Luke, to just subjectively say this is the best, this is the best. But the answer is, yeah, there's winners, there's people that don't win, and you know, there's that Joe, like the brother, what's his name, the car racing movie. He's like second is the first loser or something. But I don't think
Talladega Nights.
Yes, I don't.
If you're not first, you're last. So
Yes.
just so everybody has that, if you're not first, you're last. That's a line.
And I don't thank you because I'm bad at that. I don't think this is the case here, Luke. I think there's winners, there's list makers, but you guys are all working so hard and deserve to be
every
honest.
single company that's here has customers whose lives are changed because these businesses exist.
100%. So, Luke, I opened an account. I'll tell you, I opened an account with a winner earlier in the day. I didn't open it today. I opened it like last week. It's called Ground Floor. I opened that account, and then I looked at, because I was looking at the alternative investing category. There was another one that I opened an account with too. And I didn't even put money in yet, but I just like, I'm trying to get involved with all these things. And it's because we want to help grow this market. At the end of the day, there's going to be a lot of winners. Think about this. Every single corner you go on, there's a bank branch. There's going to be a lot of winners. And so we want to help evolve, and we understand the product too, even though we have judges. And I think that's really important. So I'll stop as the vocab word of the day, bloviating. I think the next category is me, Luke. Is that right?
All you.
Yep. Okay. So the next category is best broker for mutual funds. Drum roll. Drum roll end. This winner is Fidelity Brokerage Services.
All right. Congratulations, Fidelity. I'm going to be bringing us the next award. It's Best Research Aggregator. All of these companies are companies that we work very closely with, given our business of producing content, actionable content, data sets, tools here at Benzinga. Dozens and dozens and dozens of incredibly strong applications in for Best Research Aggregator. I am honored to announce the winner of this year's 2021 Benzinga Global Fintech Award, Yahoo Finance.
Hey, it's been a long day. Producer Rohan fell asleep, and I apologize. His drum roll sometimes doesn't key in and key out, but we love Producer Rohan. He's working his butt off. Producer Rohan, come on the screen real quick and say hi to everyone. He flew in from, I don't know, but he did fly in. Can you say hi? There he is. That's Producer Rohan. Good job, man.
Thank you.
Very good. All right. Thank you, Producer Rohan. Wanted to say thank you to him. And then I also want to remind you that hashtag BZ Awards. Congratulations to the winners, the list makers. If you have any questions about the process, email us at events@benzinga.com. Now, best broker for CFDs. All right. Forex.com.
All right, everyone. We are down to our last two awards of the day. Again, take this video. Take what we went through today, skip back through it. Look at what some of these panels were. Look at who some of these winners are. We got insights. We got sneak peeks. I mean, we got to see what the future of our investing lives look like. We got to see what partners, competitors, new entrants in the space are doing, how they think they're going to make an impact. Second to last award of the day. This is another new category, not new to 2021, but I think we've had this one now for a third year. Again, this speaks to the evolution of our space that's happening so quickly. It's best multi-asset brokerage. Best multi-asset brokerage. Again, when we started this, you had your place to go for stocks. You had your place to go for futures. You had your place to go to crypto if you even knew what crypto was at that point. Now these experiences are coming closer and closer together. 2021 winner, best multi-asset broker is ETORO.
Hello. We are at the final award. This is the People Choice Award. Now, I have to say, there has been over, a few hundred emails coming about this, but over tens of thousands of votes. And I know voting changed. We did the best we could to regulate email addresses, IP addresses. I know there was a lot of people voting, but
yeah, the Benzinga tech team went a little bit crazy trying to monitor this one.
Yes.
To keep it locked down and secure.
Yeah, at one point they made you log in to vote. I don't know if that was still the case. I'm like, come on, no one want to log in to vote. So we did our best to make sure that you have an accurate winner. The crowd chose, and it went up, down. There was multiple people. I mean, honestly, you know what we should do? We should show like where it went, like how the votes and calculations.
It didn't look like a horse race where it's neck and neck at the end. I mean, this was like neck and neck and neck and neck and neck and neck. I mean, there was like a couple dozen.
It did look like the horse race. I thought you said it did not, but it did.
A horse race, you got two that are close, and the rest are.
Oh, you said it did not then, because you're saying
we had like 2 dozen.
Got it. Okay. I didn't know it's horse race analogy. I'm not really like a horse bettor. That's more of a Joel thing. Do you bet on horses?
Not yet, but this online gambling stuff is crazy.
Yeah, they just announced New York. The Penn National didn't get it. I don't know how they decide how you get it or what. So it's a strange one. And there was another one that didn't get it. That was a surprising one. But we are going to go to the last award. This is the People Choice Awards. We're going to go do the drum roll, and then Luke's going to announce the winner. So People Choice Awards, drum roll.
Aries by TradeStation. Pash, right over at Aries. Congratulations, guys.
Yeah, thank you, man. It's actually an absolute honor to be winning, man, especially as the People's Choice. We consider ourselves for the people, by the people. And, we've only been around just for a couple months. So to win as the People's Choice is really, it's kind of unprecedented, man. It just goes to show the support that's coming from our users, especially over the last couple of months. We've had incredible amounts of growth, and giving small investors seamless access to the markets has been our goal forever. So hopefully.
So go
ahead.
What would you describe your value proposition or differentiator?
Yeah, so we're available in over 100 countries, right? And almost every week now, we're releasing brand new tools. In fact, we're using this award as an excuse to release our web platform later today.
So how are you doing that? How are you developing so fast, so quickly, and every week?
I can take that one.
Cash.
Actually, I've been working as an agile coach and in agile development for many years of my life. So I do have some tricks of the trade. Speaking of which, I did want to take this quick opportunity to thank our users. For those who, especially the ones that joined our Discord channel, you guys really made it what it is as an app. Yeah, we're always getting feedback from our users, new suggestions, what's working for them, what they want to see in the app. They really help make the app what it is. And I think that's one example of how we're taking that like radical agility and applying it to our app. We launched back in June, and only 3-4 months later, launching a whole new platform on web. We have so much in store for you guys for next year. Really excited to bring it to you.
Pash, you gave a tease, and we need to know one of the teases here. So you said
well,
you're an agile.
I don't want to give away too much, but what I can say is
no, you don't know the question. Not what you're launching soon. You said you're an agile coach, etc., and people always want to know how to move faster. Can you give one trick of the whatever of how you're so successful at releasing products so quickly, or an agile coach thing over the years? Just people seeking advice here. You go to YouTube, seek mental health advice. We're asking you product advice.
Well, I mean, I've worked with small companies like our own startup, and I've also worked with large enterprises like major banks in Canada. Mm-hmm. And the number one thing that I've seen is it should be okay to experiment and make mistakes. There's so much time and bureaucracy spent around trying to create this perfect package and ship it out to the people. But then when you launch it, it still has bugs. It still has issues. People are still finding problems, right? If you have something that people are going to get value from and it's not broken and you don't think it's going to really offend anybody, just release it, see how it goes, and get closer with your users. Don't try to create this professional wall. That was big in the 90s to be hey, welcome to our customer service department. How can we help you? But we're in a whole new age. We have the internet. Get close to your users, actually start talking to them, hear what they have to say.
Awesome. And you mentioned the Discord community. Do you think that's why you built such a fan base, or is there something else to it? Again, among 1,000 companies, you guys won the People Choice Award.
I'm going to toss that to Reto a little bit, because he does trade on the side as well. He has a pretty big community of followers.
Hey man, I've been an investor my entire life. So the whole goal here was to just give people exactly what they wanted, right? We listen to our users, we take their stuff in, and then we try to bridge the gap. We try to make what seems impossible possible, especially with data, right? I feel like a lot of huge companies nowadays are charging ridiculous fees for data. And our main goal at the start was, how can we give users access to what they need and make it as cheap as possible? And I think that's what garnered such a large following at the start. And then just listening to our users at the end of the day, talking to them, interacting with them, even hopping live on voice calls with them just to see what they want. And then with Pash moving so quickly, it's like a never-ending train, man. Our users come in, they see how much work we're putting in and the platform that we're actually loving to build. And, the feedback, it's just a really good positive feedback loop.
Well, congratulations, guys. And we're going to be at Stout Grand Central at 5:30, so in about half an hour from now. And we're going to be just sitting there at the bar waiting for that web platform to come out.
Yeah, man. Even beyond web, we have so much more to come over the next year. We're so excited to bridge the gap for our users, man. I think that just the growth that we've seen in the last 3 months, we could 10x it. Man, the support from our users, it's showcased with this great honor. So we're excited to see you guys there.
Thank you so much, Benzinga, for the opportunity.
Congrats again. Congrats. We'll see you soon. Thank you again. That is Aries, powered by TradeStation, as the People Choice Awards. Thank you.
Woo!
Ooh.